Most people think memory loss and fading vision are just part of getting older, that once you pass a certain age, things simply start to wear out, and there's nothing you can do about it. But that's not actually what's happening. What's really going on is much quieter and much more fixable. As we age, the brain and the eyes don't stop repairing themselves. They still try to clean up damage, rebuild cells, and restore function every single night while you sleep. The problem is, most people go to bed without giving their body the nutrients it needs to do that work properly. So the repair process runs low, night after night, year after year. That's when you start noticing the small things. Your vision takes longer to focus. In the morning, bright lights bother you more. At night, whims don't come as easily. Your thinking feels a little slower than it used to. This isn't failure. It's under support. The encouraging news is this: certain everyday foods can give your brain and eyes exactly what they need to recover during sleep. Not supplements, not extreme diets, just simple foods, eaten at the right time. Foods that support memory, protect the retina, and strengthen night vision. In this video, I'll show you a few of the most effective ones. Foods backed by real research and real-world results that help your brain and eyes do what they're designed to do overnight. Let's start with the first one. Blueberries. They're small, sweet, and easy to overlook, but blueberries may be one of the most protective foods you can eat for your brain and eyes. As you age, especially before sleep, blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, deep blue pigments that can cross the blood-brain barrier. That's important because very few antioxidants can actually reach brain tissue. Once there, anthocyanins reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, two major drivers of cognitive decline. A landmark study from Harvard, published in Annals of Neurology, followed over 16,000 older women. It found that those who consumed blueberries regularly delayed cognitive aging by up to 2.5 years. That's not subtle. That's meaningful preservation of mental function. But blueberries don't just help memory. They also protect the eyes. Anthocyanins improve blood flow to the retina and strengthen the tiny capillaries that deliver oxygen and nutrients. This is especially important at night, when retinal circulation naturally slows. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry showed that blueberry consumption improved night vision and reduced eye fatigue by enhancing rhodopsin regeneration. Rhodopsin is the light-sensitive pigment your eyes rely on to see. In dim conditions, without enough support, night vision suffers. Here's where sleep comes in. During rest, the brain clears metabolic waste through the glymphatic system. Blueberries support this process by reducing inflammation and oxidative load, allowing the brain's cleanup system to work more efficiently. That means clearer thinking the next morning. They're also gentle on digestion. A small bowl of blueberries won't spike blood sugar or disrupt sleep. In fact, their natural compounds may help stabilize nighttime glucose levels, which is important for seniors prone to waking during the night. For best results, enjoy about half a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries as an evening snack, or pair them with plain yogurt or a small handful of walnuts. Avoid sugary toppings. The power is in the berries themselves. Helen, 70, added blueberries to her evening routine after struggling with word recall and visual strain. At night, within a month, she noticed sharper focus and less eye fatigue while reading before bed. Small food, big protection, especially when eaten consistently. 2x. Eggs are often underestimated, especially by seniors who worry about cholesterol. But when it comes to nighttime repair, for the brain and the eyes, eggs are one of the most complete foods you can eat. Eggs are rich in choline, a nutrient essential for producing acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter responsible for memory, learning, and focus. Low choline levels are strongly linked to memory decline and slower cognitive processing. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher choline intake was associated with better cognitive performance. In older adults, during sleep, the brain uses choline to repair synapses and strengthen neural connections formed during the day. Eggs are also one of the best natural sources of lutein and zeaxanthin. These two compounds concentrate directly in the macula, where they act like internal sunglasses. They filter damaging blue light and protect photoreceptor cells from degeneration. Research in investigative ophthalmology and visual science showed that lutein and zeaxanthin supplementation improved visual processing speed and contrast sensitivity, both critical for night vision and depth perception. At night, the retina renews itself. Old cells are cleared away. New ones are supported. Without enough lutein and zeaxanthin, this renewal process becomes weaker, increasing the risk of blurry vision and macular damage. Eggs are also easy to digest and naturally calming. They help stabilize blood sugar, which reduces nighttime awakenings and supports uninterrupted sleep. For best results, enjoy 1 or 2 eggs at dinner. Soft-boiled or lightly cooked eggs preserve nutrients better than overcooking. Pair them with vegetables or a small portion of fish for a balanced evening meal. Margaret, 78, noticed increasing difficulty reading signs at night after adding eggs to her evening meals several times a week. She reported clearer vision and improved focus within 2 months. Eggs don't just fuel the body, they rebuild the brain and protect the eyes while you sleep. Number 3, fatty fish. If there is one food the aging brain and eyes depend on more than almost anything else, it's fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel. They may seem like simple dinner foods, but during sleep, they become powerful repair tools for both your mind and your vision. As we age, the brain slowly loses DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that makes up a large portion of brain cell membranes. DHA is essential for communication between brain cells. When levels drop, signals slow down, memory weakens, focus fades. That foggy feeling many seniors describe isn't just tiredness, it's structural decline. A 2016 study in neurology found that older adults with higher omega-3 levels had larger hippocampal volumes. That's the part of the brain responsible for memory formation. Another study, published in Alzheimer's and Dementia, showed that seniors who regularly consumed fatty fish experienced significantly slower cognitive decline over time. Now let's talk about the eyes. DHA is also a major structural component of the retina. In fact, the retina has one of the highest concentrations of DHA in the entire body. At night, when your eyes are closed, the retina undergoes intense renewal. Damaged photoreceptor cells are repaired, but without enough DHA available, that repair process weakens. This is why omega-3 deficiency is strongly linked to macular degeneration and poor night vision. A large analysis, published in Archives of Ophthalmology, found that people who consumed fish at least twice a week had a 30% lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. Timing matters here. Eating fatty fish in the evening provides your body with DHA just before nighttime repair begins. During deep sleep, DHA is incorporated into brain and retinal cells, improving flexibility, signal speed, and resistance to inflammation. For best results, aim for a small portion of baked or lightly pan-seared salmon at dinner, about 2 to 3 hours before bed. Avoid deep frying, which damages the delicate fats. If fresh fish isn't available, canned sardines in olive oil work very well and are easy to digest. George, 76, complained of slow recall and difficulty adjusting to darkness at night. After adding salmon to dinner twice a week for 2 months, he reported sharper thinking and fewer problems navigating his home after sunset. This isn't a quick fix. It's structural nourishment. Fatty fish doesn't stimulate the brain. It rebuilds it, quietly, overnight. Aging doesn't mean your brain and eyes stop repairing themselves. It means they need better support. While you sleep, your body is working quietly, clearing waste from the brain, repairing neural connections, renewing delicate retinal cells that allow you to see clearly and think sharply. But without the right nutrients, that work slows down. Fatty fish, blueberries, eggs. These aren't exotic superfoods. They're simple, familiar foods that give your brain and eyes exactly what they need to recover overnight. You don't need to change everything at once. Start with one. Add it to your evening routine. Let consistency do the work. If you found this helpful, make sure you're subscribed. This channel is here to help you stay sharp, confident, and independent as you age, using practical tools that actually work. Take care of your nights, and your days will follow.